Hello from Applied Science International. In this tutorial, we are going to walk through the basics of Steel Smart System 8.5. As you're probably aware, Steel Smart System is the most comprehensive cold-form steel design software package available in the market. It is a component-based design software which helps streamline the production through the design and detailing of members, connections, and fasteners. Beside the use of the new project concept, which allow users to group multiple components and apply batch commands on them. We will briefly review the Steel Smart System component design modules, which include the curtain wall design module, load-bearing wall design module, strap-based shear wall design module, the floor framing design module, the roof framing design module, the roof truss design module, and the moment-resisting short wall design module. We will then review some simple design utilities and resources available to assist you during analysis and design of cold-form steel framing. These include the Member Designer utility, the Clip Designer utility, the Screwed Connection Designer utility, the Component Details library, and the general cold-form steel specifications. Finally, we will overview some of the advanced features that you may or may not have purchased with your Steel Smart System license. These include the ASCE-7 load generator and distributor for the estimation of lateral forces in buildings, and also the component details generator that is a feature available in all of the component design modules for easy export of design details into the DXF file format. Okay then, let's get started by going through each of the component design modules. Each design module has the option of using different design codes. The 2006, 2009, 2012, 2015, 2018, and the 2021 IBC are included, as well as the Canadian National Building Code 2010 and 2015. Each of the codes reference the respective ASCE-7 and AISI specification for calculation purposes. The first component design module is the curtain wall design module. This module enables the design of non-gravity load-bearing components for wind loads such as typical wall studs and opening framing. In addition to the design of wall bridging components and connections for opening framing. Users can select from a range of templates including openings, complex spans, and cantilevers, or specify a user-defined stud or opening layout. The next design module is the load-bearing wall design module. The load-bearing walls design module easily design gravity load-bearing wall components, which include the design of multi-story typical load-bearing wall studs, opening framing, and post in addition to the design of wall bridging components for studs and connections for opening framing. The option of selecting a user-defined assembly is also available to meet specific project demands. Next is the strap brace shear wall design module. The TSN stiff wall system is designed as a tension-only, strap-braced, lateral force-resisting system. This system is designed using the TSN stiff wall columns, boot assemblies, and flat strap bracing. Users input the geometry of shear wall panels and loading in order for SteelSmart system to design the members and the connections. The fourth component design module is the floor framing design module. Within the floor framing module, users are able to design floor joists and beams with different loading and layout from a variety of templates using the prime joist section or standard C sections. And we have two roof design modules. The first is the roof rafter design module. Users may select from 5 roof rafter layout templates or create a custom rafter layout to design sloped rafter sections. SteelSmart system designs roof members using TSN jam stud section or standard C sections. The second roof design module is the roof trusses design module. Along with the roof rafters module, the roof trusses module is capable of designing trusses using TSN jam stud sections or C sections. Each design scenario results in the selection of members, connectors, and fasteners for the assembly. Users may simply select from 8 standard truss shapes or easily edit a general case truss design. When selecting the Edit General Case Truss, users can select a standard template or import a DXF line drawing to start the custom design. The last component design module is the moment resisting short wall design module. SteelSmart Systems moment resisting short wall design module provides the analysis and design procedure for the design of interior partition wall and design procedure for the design of interior partition wall, parapet wall, and strip window framing in residential and commercial cold form steel applications. SteelSmart system designs the typical stud sections and the moment resisting connection utilizing the TSN midwall sections. In addition to the 7 component design modules, there are various advanced features, utilities, and resources available to the user. The first of the additional tools is the ASCE 7. The load generator and distributor is capable of generating snow, wind, and seismic forces for a particular structure based on the zip code location of the structure. Users can plot the shear wall layouts for different building shapes defined within SteelSmart System. The different building shapes available for analysis include a rectangular shape, U-shape, T-shape, L-shape, H-shape, or rectangular shape with courtyard. Users can also specify a rigid or flexible floor diaphragm at each floor level for the distribution of forces to individual shear walls. Once users complete the inputs for the Building Data tab, the Wind Data tab, the Seismic Data tab, the Snow Data tab, and the Shear Walls Data tab, SteelSmart System will calculate the component and cladding pressure for the wind and seismic forces for main force resisting systems, vertical snow loads, and individual shear wall forces. Following the load generator and distributor are three utilities. The first of these utilities is the Member Designer. This utility quickly calculates the effective properties and the X and Y axis allowable forces and moments for cold formed steel sections. The section layout and geometry can be specified for the calculations that follows the selected design code. The next utility is the Clip Designer. The Clip Designer utility will easily determine if a clip connection is safe or not safe. Clips can be selected for analysis based upon the use of the connector. Applied loads can be input in the respective directions for each clip connection to determine clip adequacy. The last utility is the Screwed Connection Designer utility. Users are able to design or check the safety of various connection types, which include a pure shear connection, pure tension connection, and a combined shear and tension connection. Under the Utilities section, there are some resources available to the user, which include the Component Details Library and specifications. The SteelSmart System Component Details Library is split into 7 different categories of details, all available in the DXF format. These details include typical cold-form steel framing applications utilizing the products manufactured by the steel network. General specifications for cold-form steel framing are also available. These specifications can be saved and modified as necessary to fit project requirements. A help section is also provided for the users to reference at the top of the home screen or through the backstage. The help section allows the user to navigate through the contents of SteelSmart System. Within the Help tab is a link to the SteelSmart System Technical Reference and User Guide. The technical reference provides explanations of the design assumptions and calculation methods within the software programs. Along with the two manuals, verification samples combined in verification manual have also been provided for the user's reference. Verification samples provide comparison between handwork solutions and SteelSmart System inputs and outputs. Samples are provided for curtain wall design, load-bearing wall design, strap brace shear wall design, floor framing design, roof rafters design, design of bridging members, design of connections, the use of member designer and screw connection designer utilities, and the use of the load generator and distributor. SteelSmart System settings can also be adjusted from the main screen. Options are available to adjust default settings for design parameters, every framing module parameters, color schemes for component depictions, framing visibility within component depictions, and various general settings within. Users have the option to input specific project information for component designs. This information can be saved and loaded again for future component designs. General user information can be set, which is printed on design output reports when component designs are completed. The last option allows the user to specify the use of the imperial unit system or the metric unit system when analyzing and designing within SteelSmart System. This option can be changed from the input screen of any module as well. Well, that pretty much wraps up this tutorial. Please contact our technical support team at support@steelsmartsystem.com. Also, please check the tutorials page of the SteelSmart System website and ASI YouTube channel, as we'll be adding more in-depth tutorials on each module. Also, if you have not licensed the advanced modules, including the load generator and distributor and the component details generator, contact our customer service team at support@steelsmartsystem.com to ask about upgrading your license to be advanced. For more information and tutorials, please visit www.steelsmartsystem.com. Thank you.